All right, everybody. It's been a little while, going through a little bit of personal things, but welcome back for me, I guess. So this is gonna be my first time trying something new here. I went and got some PETG. All right. For the last 6 or 7 months, I've been printing with PLA only. And I think it's about time we tried something new. So this will be my first time printing PETG, which yes, it does require a bit of a higher temperature than PLA. I usually do 65 degrees for my bed for PLA, but I upped it to 70 for this. Also, I usually do about 208, between 208 and 214 on my nozzle for PLA, but in this case, I'm going to start it at 245 for the first 3 layers, and then after that I think I'm going to drop it to 243, depending on if they're stringing or not, because I've heard people say that PETG strings a lot, but I don't know, I've never used it, but I will adjust accordingly as this print's going, because like I said, this is my first time, and once I dial it in for my machine, it should be okay. But I am unfortunately printing in a garage, and it sucks because I can't exactly regulate the temperature in here, so I might have unforeseen problems. But as of right now, it's nice and cool in here. I cooled it off in the morning. I was able to get it into the 70s, but it is going to be 90-something degrees today, which means it'll probably be 100 and something in here, so at one point I might have to stop the print until I can cool off the garage. But hopefully, this print's only like 8 hours long. It's like 10 o'clock. Usually starts to get really hot by like 3, 4, and 5. And as the last couple hours, if it's just doing the top of the head and the ears, then I'm safe. But if it's going to do the bridge gap for the face, I don't know. We'll see what happens. My first time, we'll see how it goes. Stand by it. Wow, at that temperature, the PLA was like dripping out. It wasn't even solid. It was more like a spooge thing. Uh-oh, that's not good. I think I need to increase the temperature because it looks like it's a little spotty. So yeah, let's increase this. Let's see. Let's raise it to 248, and if it gets worse, then I'll lower it, because I'm not really sure which one to do with it. I gotta see how this layer's coming up. It actually looks okay. It looks a little better. I won't be able to tell unless I see it making more globs like it was just doing, but that could also be because it pushed that PLA out, and I know PLA and PETD don't stick well together, so that could have something to do with it. But we'll see. So far, with those 2 degrees I raised it at, it's now at 248. It seems to be doing okay. I think I'm going to leave it at that for now. Yeah, that layer line looks really nice. This clump here is where I changed the temperature, okay. And everything from there on, here on, there's not really any clumps, although, nope, no clumps. So I'm gonna leave it at that, and we'll see what happens. All right, I just got to pay attention, because when it does the top layer after this, or the top 3, this is going to change. I have to put it back, so I got to pay attention to that. But anyhow, so far looks good. All right. Stand by, and I'll show you guys when it's all done. We'll see what happens. I'm not going to exactly mix PLA and PETG for the printing process itself, but this part of the print is the only part that's going to be PETG. And I'm going to make a couple of these just to see, because I got a couple different colors. I want to try these out. My wife and my daughter seem to be in them, but I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. That's going to be a surprise. All right. So, I'll be back when this is all done. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace out. Secrets are fun, aren't they? Oh, and I'm doing this on my Cobra 3 Max, just in case people are wondering what printer this is. Anyhow, peace out.